In today's world, AI is a relevant technological tool that is used in various settings, like schools, industries, and everyday life. But does AI truly benefit those who use it? And what effect does AI have on learning? These questions are reasonable, especially with the increase of AI usage in high school students. However, if used correctly, AI can improve a student's metacognition by encouraging them to think about, identify, and discover which study strategies work best for them. For example, imagine a high school student is preparing for an upcoming test in their English class. They decide to use AI as a tool to generate practice questions. While completing the practice, they note the topics that need further review and reflect on which learning strategies help them understand the material and which do not. The student makes a study guide and over the span of a week, conquers one topic a night, giving them enough time to prepare. This example effectively uses metacognition. Metacognition is the ability to judge the effectiveness of one's learning strategies. It promotes deeper cognitive development while encouraging individuals to manage their own learning. This concept is important because it allows students to improve their problem-solving skills and academic performance. In October of 2025, researchers conducted a study at the Criminal Investigation Police University of China that examined whether AI could enhance undergraduates' metacognition, social learning, and self-determined motivation. The researchers divided 310 undergraduate students into two groups, an experimental group that received AI-integrated instruction and a control group that received regular instruction. The experimental group participated in 2 training sessions with guided exercises on how to use AI programs for academic English tasks. For 12 weeks, they used AI to complete language learning activities like revising essays, expanding vocabulary, and practicing conversation, while recording their experiences in a reflective journal. The researchers found that the journal entries had 3 key themes: routine AI integration into study habits, AI as a metacognitive scaffold, and surface-level use for task completion. Even though some reported to experience surface-level learning, the study supported the hypothesis, as the majority of the experimental group had a significant increase in metacognition, social learning, and self-determined motivation. While these results are promising, they also raise an important question about the future of AI in education. Does the continuous use of AI decrease intrinsic motivation in students to solve problems independently? This question matters because high school students can misuse AI. There is a possibility that if they use AI to do their work, then they are most likely not focused on retaining the information. Using AI in this way promotes surface-level learning. If this research were conducted, educators could find ways to incorporate AI tools into classrooms without undermining student learning. However, students can avoid these negative outcomes by learning how to use AI responsibly. First, high school students should use AI in ways that benefit their learning, not replace it. For example, they can use it for studying purposes by creating practice problems, study guides, and flashcards, or by asking AI to explain topics they do not understand. They should not use it to complete their work for them, as it undermines their academic integrity and does not promote active learning. Lastly, students should disclose any AI use according to their school's guidelines. In the end, AI, if used ethically and responsibly, can be a successful study tool, promoting high school students to become independent learners in a technologically advanced society.